Welcome back, everybody, to the longest game of hide and seek we've seen on the friend train yet. Luigi's Mansion. We're trying to find Uncle Grimley.
Yes.
He's somewhere. I told Luke he's on the second floor. He's got to be there somewhere.
This Ghost Brando trying to spoil with his bombs.
There's Ghost. Yeah, Ghost Brain was about to say the room.
Dude, where the hell did Toad even go? Did they kill
died.
him, bro?
He just evaporated when the blackout happened.
He turned into a phone?
Straight up. Well, I like Davy's hypothesis of Uncle checking himself out. But I'm afraid that's not it.
Dang, dude.
I like the idea, though.
Go to the boss baby room.
The boss baby? No. How about Nigel Thornberry?
Wrong door. This is why I use the Mac.
No mirrors in here.
I don't think there's any mirrors in the twins' room.
Yeah.
They just had the bunk bed. Skinner, do you know where?
Oh, is it the room? Is he dressing up? Checking out, checking himself
I think
out.
that's one of the last places we haven't checked.
Yeah.
Right after the anteater.
Checking out himself in all these clothes.
Anyone
Oh, there he
here?
is.
Oh, no, I do
my
remember this guy.
Lord.
Hello.
There he is. He's really not memorable. He doesn't do anything.
What?
Oh, he sucks,
Just
dude.
chilling there. He looks like Jeepers Creepers from Scooby-Doo.
He really does have the Scooby-Doo vibe. But yeah, he doesn't even he's just standing there.
He doesn't do anything. He's
Oh,
literally
you got
that meme.
him.
He's literally that meme. I am just sitting here.
Sitting, and then he's the old man that's like, guess I'll just die.
Oh no.
Nar.
Oh no.
Nar Luigi.
Now it's basement time.
Now it is.
Now it's shook time.
What is that?
Hello?
A punch effect that stayed on screen.
Oh.
Now we make the dangerous trek to the spooky basement. Look at Luigi's nose jiggle. Oh, and he's dying.
Dude, when I think about scary basements, I think about Zathura. You guys ever watch that?
I did. That movie felt like a fever dream.
Dude, I love that movie.
It was.
I think I watched that more than Jumanji.
Me
Was
too.
that the one where that had Dakota Fanning in it and the other guy? No, I'm thinking Bridge to the
Yeah, no, I remember it had the guy. I'm pretty sure. Spoilers, by the way. I'm pretty sure the guy in the future, like, he dated his sister or something, or his sister had a crush on his future self.
He didn't realize it was his sister. Yeah.
I know which one you're talking about now. We had a.
I remember the basement had like a crazy furnace.
Yeah,
and it was
dude.
scary. I remember that movie. And we're
There
back.
we go.
to
Lights
normal.
back on. Lights on.
No more stupid blackout. Is there a boo in here now? There wasn't before.
Yep.
Seems like it.
I guess because the room is quote unquote cleared.
Now it's time to clear the basement.
Yep, it's pink or red for the.
Yeah, it's like pink for
Mario.
area. He's taking a beating. One of those barrels.
200. Oh my god.
208.
Booby hatch.
Booby hatch.
Booby?
Uh oh. Keep him in here.
Nice.
Got half of it.
You did really good though. Now get ready for the worst part of Area 4. Every
Oh, this
time you
room's
walk
fine.
in this room, every time you walk in here, you have to get rid of the dust piles.
Damn.
They respawn every time, and when you're chasing Boo, it's so tedious. These last remaining Boos viewers, it's extremely worth it to get them all, but man, it is going to be a slog to get these last few. They're just extending the length of this game, because we are
what the-
dead ass on.
I didn't even see that, dude.
It was hidden under the fog, or the dust.
I think that room, though, you can clear it now, because the blackout's done.
Oh, true. What is that noise? Someone's breaking glass, dude.
So yeah, we're back to normal now, so killing all the ghosts in a room will get you something.
What do you think that trophy is for up there on the shelf? You think it's Billiard Billy's Olympic trophy?
Billiard Billy. I think it's Miss Petunia for the world's longest shower.
Ah.
Or it could be Biff Atlas.
True.
Most reps in one day.
Oh, okay.
Nuts.
What's the other ceiling one for?
Is it maybe like a shortcut?
Just to get a shortcut from the dust, if I had to guess.
Oh my god, we gotta go all the way back.
All the way back up.
And there's a boo in here with like 50 million HP. Somewhere.
And the trophy, dude.
Oh, that mushroom is dancing. Yeah, we really split this up nicely. For reference viewers, it's only gonna take
Booripides.
Boo. Oh. I think I used to say like Booripides or something. I don't mean to complain too much, viewers. I'm just having memories of me trying to get all the boos in this game.
Oh my gosh, dude.
No.
Do they regain their health?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, hey, the dust didn't respond. I think when it's been a while since you've been here, the dust will return.
Oh yeah.
But that's okay, because we're going all the way upstairs.
Woo!
Yep.
This next room he's headed to, as a kid, it's like for a lot, just like Boulas's, a giant pain in the ass. This game goes from 0 to 100 real quick, dude.
Mm-hmm.
I had a lot of trouble as a kid with this next one.
Let's see if I can get up here without using the map even a single time.
Alright, let's see it. Immediately gets like a fake door. Oh yeah, no more ghosts here. We still don't know about the boarded room.
Interesting.
Now we get to
good job, brother. You did it.
Ow! Thank you, you did it.
Oh, I think this means you can clear the telephone room too.
Okay.
True. No more hanging Luigi.
No more hanging Luigi. Plus we can enjoy another 5,000 HP boo. Alright, so we're back now. Hey, Star.
Hi, Star.
He's like, let me show you my new form.
What did that bowling ball say? 10 pounds?
I think so.
You are legit ballin'.
Alright,
I can't wait
spawn?
to recycle that joke next week when we... Oh,
Mr. Bones!
I haven't seen any dry bones in Mario Party Superstar Star. I'm so sorry.
Oh gosh, that's horrible news, dude.
I've seen Boo because he's a
that makes me happy.
Samuel. I was gonna ask Avi, who are you gonna play when we play that?
I already know I'm gonna play Boo, dude.
Well, he's not a thing anymore.
Oh fuck! You meant you saw Boo as a NPC?
Yeah, he's like in 4, like where he's.
Goomba better not be in then.
He's not.
He's not. I wish he was, dude. That'd be so cool.
I'll probably be Luigi right here, dude.
Yeah, I was curious because the
Wario.
roster's changed. I was like, I was thinking you were gonna be Wario.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I might alternate, honestly.
Yeah, that might be fun.
I'll go with Wario first, probably.
He does know how to get the fat stacks.
Exactly. Oh my gosh!
300.
Yeah.
You're watching Boomerang.
And he's already gone. Dude, I was so jealous that I didn't have Boomerang, bro.
It was
Oh,
so
this
hype.
room.
Oh wait, he's still here?
Yeah.
The Clockwork Room, viewers. I hate this room.
I like it. It's tricky, but
It's Rhine time.
I'm trying to read what that poster even says.
I hope he just
I'm
goes
trying to
back
juggle
forth.
him between these two rooms, honestly.
Yeah.
Instead
You
of
think you should
having
just
him like
clear
go
this
to
one?
an inaccessible room. Nah.
Yeah, this is pretty tedious.
Yeah. Because if you clear this room, then he'll actually take damage in here.
Yeah.
Just hump all the clocks. That's your mission.
I see, of course. It makes perfect sense.
You may
Wait,
be
what was
wondering,
that? A piggy bank?
Why did Brando have a hard time as a kid? Oh, you know, because 3 guys with ranged weapons are fighting you at the same time. I hope you
They're
clear
not
this
shooting,
thing
though.
easily. Yeah, they are kind of stupid. I can handle this room now, but man, was it annoying back then.
Get a double kill.
This one functions like the twins, where only the last one you kill, I think, counts to the range.
Ah.
So you're good for now.
Oh, I see. You gotta get their thing off.
Gotta get the thing off, try not to get bopped. There you go. One down
There's
already.
green gone.
Ooh.
I don't remember how the ranking was for this one. I heard it was really dumb. I heard some people say it might only
Oh,
be one of the...
they considered blue the last one because I guess I already took Pink's thing off.
I don't remember.
Oh, maybe.
The only thing I do remember is that the ranking for this one is kind of dumb. Nah, you're doing fine.
That poison mushroom is following you.
It's desperate. And when there's one
Of course,
left, it's easy.
right.
It's easy
It's
peasy.
like, of course, the one I perfect is the one that doesn't count.
Yeah, the less there are, the easier it is. Every time I look at the timer, I expect that like the episode's already done, but no, we still have plenty of time.
Yeah.
That's just how quick this game
Same.
is. Like barely halfway through today's episode, and like we're already clearing the clock room. And now there's another boo in this one.
Yay!
It's a small world, after all.
Let's see.
See
As
anyone
long
in
as
the
you don't
clock
go in
towers?
there.
Nope. Oh, he's in that marionette. Dang it, I was
Where's
wrong.
it this time?
6 o'clock booze.
Is that his full name?
He's an alcoholic.
Yeah.
Oh man, we got 2 300 HPers on the loose.
Yikes, man.
Their health just
Nice.
skyrocketed. It went from like 150 to 300.
Yeah,
It's
that's insane.
You good?
Uh-oh.
That's a fake door.
That's a fake. So
That's-
you guys like walking between the same 3 rooms for 40 minutes?
It's my favorite.
There's a reason people don't like Area 4 that much. It's still a great game. It's just unnecessary HP. Because man, it's not
Yeah.
hard, it's just tedious, you know? Making their HP like
There we
double
go.
didn't really do much, you know? But we are determined, viewers. We are going to catch all 50 boos. We're not quitters. It's literally just this, like, no matter how good Luke is at doing it, they are going to get away a couple times.
Mm-hmm. Unless you're like a speedrunner.
I kind of want to see a speedrun of this.
Yeah, me too, actually.
They're pretty fun to watch.
I'm curious now.
I want to see the pro suckage, honestly.
The pro suckage. That's an episode title and a half. I'm curious, because, like, there's not really... I guess, well, if it's any percent, then yeah, you can skip all the optional bosses, right?
Don't.
Well,
You got him down to a low HP.
are they both in there now, then?
I don't know. One just vanished.
One is just gone.
Well, 2 are gone now, but yeah.
We got the one in the Astral Hall, so that one's done. I guess you have no choice but to go up.
Ooh, up.
Onto the roof.
Don't get struck by lightning up here, Luigi.
After all this hard work.
They're just enjoying the bonfire dancing, dude. As I like to say, it's fucked up.
Ooh, I never mentioned this, I don't think, but if you kill 2 at once, you automatically, it'll always spawn hearts in.
Oh, that's interesting.
If you're skilled, you can recover in no time.
Ow!
Get his ass.
He's like, you killed my partner.
Prepare to die. It's deserved, honestly. Luigi kind of.
You took my only food. Now I'm gonna starve.
Oh,
There's
no.
more?
Big guys. Oh, they're icy.
At first, I was like, "Oh no, there's no fire."
Ooh, Luigi's head hit the pillar, dude.
Ouch. That's a concussion and a half.
Don't die, Luigi.
That fucking sucked.
He laughed.
Well, he can't laugh anymore.
He can laugh in hell. You may be done here, but you're not done.
Oh no, yeah, I was like, I'm not done. I know what to do here. I know about this secret.
There's a juicy
Kind of.
secret on this roof.
Ooh.
Oh.
The required thing to do is to just grab the key and leave.
Uh-huh.
However, Luke will show. Where do we have to go now? Oh, I thought we were gonna have to go all the way back.
Oh, nice, we get those.
No, I mean, I
Oh,
can
there it
access the
is.
booze at least.
Yep.
Booze acquired.
I think it's over here.
Yeah, it's.
Yeah.
Ah.
Santa Claus, ahoy! Remember that boarded up room?
Oh, I see. The sealed
We're
room.
in. We're in.
Hacker voice.
But how many of these are real is the real question. Not that one.
Speedy! You were lucky to open that one first, because the monsters in here are annoying.
Dang.
Nice try. Now for the actual
Oh, Jesus.
battle. Yeah. As a kid, I think I died in here. The backtracking took forever. I should have just been a pro. Sucked 2 up at once.
Yep, you didn't have the pro suckage as a child.
You know what? Maybe it's a good thing. You
Yeah,
say
it's like.
maybe it's a good thing.
I'm like,
There's that-
maybe there's
oh,
like a
mirror.
double meaning behind you guys wanting me to play this one.
The blue boys.
Oh,
Ah,
four.
damn.
They're strong.
See you later.
Money. That was pretty accurate.
Hi.
Oh yeah. And goodbye. Good news, there's no boo in here.
You do get a key, but this is an optional room. So, what could this possibly be for?
Key for an optional room, I guess.
Yes.
That is correct. You don't have to do this, but
The last second floor room.
we really are cleaning up, dude. Like
Yeah, we
it's
are.
only kicking in now that we're kind of almost done.
Pretty ironic.
I
huh?
always wondered
Clean it
what
up.
to do when I was a kid to get access to those 2 rooms, but you have to come into here and
Yeah.
do it.
It's a very obscure, optional set of rooms.
Mhm.
And you might notice, viewers, that there's no way out.
See, there's the sealed door.
Now you gotta burn. You gotta burn from the inside.
Little Brando
Luigi
thought,
just
you know,
dies
just
of-
maybe.
Smoke inhalation.
Nope, you gotta know the mirror trick to get out.
Oh, Turd's back.
Hi, Toad.
Hey,
Hi,
it has
Toad.
been a while.
Oh, yeah, I should say, probably just in case.
Those boos were tedious as heck, dude.
Yo! Oh, the lights are back
Oh.
on. I'm so glad the lights came back on. Phew!
Bike tag.
Yo!
Yo!
Okay.
Yo!
Are you gonna go to that
Okay.
optional one?
Yeah, I'm gonna go there since it's on the way to the 3rd floor.
Of
Should we
course.
cut off the episode soon?
We'll give it a little more time.
Or how much? I was like, I don't even know how much time we have left.
We have a little time. Let's just see how long this takes. Nice and peaceful now.
It is. Luigi's just whistling, enjoying life.
Well, this next one is gonna spark some jokes. I'm already waiting for it.
The sitting room.
And some water.
What are the plans? You know, be a good Samaritan.
There's fire and water.
Big thinking.
Oh, I didn't even notice even the entrance was locked.
Oh, you're right. There is no
Stuck.
escape.
Time to burn down the house.
Time to burn this place.
We need to do that. Oh, I just noticed those candles up there. That's what I have to do.
That was really loud in my ears.
And there's like
Oh
Oh
5
my
of them.
gosh, she almost got
Oh
them
my
all, dude.
god. Look at all those farts.
What? I hate that so much.
He's like, nice try, sucker. You know what? This is not Bulasis. Oh, okay, there's more going on.
Ah, I see.
Ah, there's switcheroo.
Might as well
Easy.
preemptively get the fire, dude.
And now there's a boo in here, too.
What do you think this one's name is?
Boomio. There was already a Boomio, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Boomther, I guess.
Bolivia.
Bolivia. That's my sister's name. Not Bolivia, Olivia.
Olivia's sister's name. That's a very interesting name. Ah, since
This
the
guy doesn't
hallway's
have
lit up.
any HP.
Bro, I hate it here.
These
Well,
last 11, man.
This episode will probably be over by the time but by the time I learn how to talk, by the time, I catch this boo, right?
Oh, where are you headed?
I'm getting the boo, but he's on the other side of the 2nd floor. So I have to
Is he?
backtrack.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he went over into the first area.
I don't think he did.
Yeah,
He
he
went
did.
to the left whenever we got out of the pink room.
Really? I thought he
Mhm.
went back into the pink room.
Oh.
I thought he went to the left.
I think he did too.
Yeah, well, we're definitely not fighting that spooky thing in that other room then.
Yep, not yet.
Spooky.
The spooky ghost, spooky ghost, the spooky. It probably went back into the pink room. I was right
Look,
all along, as I usually am.
Look, it wasn't just me this time, okay?
No, I thought I saw it too, but I mean,
I was like, he went back into the pink room, I think. I'm pretty sure. That's okay, because you know what? Catch him and then we'll call it an episode.
Yeah.
look at all that dust that we
Catch
just leaving
Bolivia.
on the ground,
I
dude.
know, dude. This place, like, allergies have wrecked me more than the pandemic. I swear to God, my poor nose.
Right.
God forbid the dust.
I've had a headache for a week. A constant fucking headache,
Jeez.
dude.
It's the worst. Hey, let's see who's in here.
Nobody. Ignore the yellow.
It's like there's somebody in here. Because I'm like, they're not going to make you go that far. That's the basement ones. Those ones are awful. It's Bolivia!
It's a plumber.
Oh, I think she went to the 2nd side of the 2nd floor.
And with that, viewers, did you see the boo give up at the end, Luigi? Your reputation is spreading.
Only 10 more.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And with that, viewers, we're going to
Yeah.
save what's on the other side of this door for the next episode. So we'll see you then.
Mario.